In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention people. Mentions are a simple way to direct someone's attention to exactly what matters, right where you're working. Instead of hoping the right person sees your message, a mention makes sure they're notified and can jump straight to the spot that needs their input. Here's how it works in any message, comment, or to-do. Place your cursor where you want to call someone in, then type the @ symbol. That's the little @ sign. It's a universal cue that tells the system you're about to reference a specific person. You can put it at the beginning of a sentence to lead with the person's name, or tuck it naturally into your sentence so it reads smoothly. Next, start typing the person's name right after the @. As you type, you'll see a drop-down list appear with matching people. This is your auto-suggest list, designed to help you find the right person fast. Type enough of their first or last name to narrow things down. If there are people with similar names, look for helpful details like their profile picture or role to be sure you've got the right one. Spelling matters here, so watch for typos. Just pause, fix the name, and the right match should show up. When you see the correct person in the list, select them. A quick click or tap will insert the mention into your text. You'll usually notice the mention becomes styled a bit differently, perhaps bolded or highlighted so you can tell it worked. If you picked the wrong person, simply backspace to remove the mention and try again. Need to bring in more than one person? Repeat the same step and add each mention where it fits naturally in your message. Once you've selected the person, they'll get a notification about your mention. That alert links them directly to the exact message, comment, or to-do, so they don't have to hunt for context. Depending on their preferences, they may see it in the app, by email, or on mobile. This is what makes mentions so effective for keeping work moving. People see what needs attention and can respond quickly. A few practical tips to keep mentions useful and respectful. Mention only the people who truly need to be looped in, keep the rest of your message clear and actionable, and add just enough context so the person understands what you need at a glance. If you don't see someone in the dropdown, double-check the spelling or confirm they're part of your workspace or project. That's all there is to it. Type out, begin the name, select from the list, and the person gets notified. Simple, precise, and a big boost to team communication.